So this is my second shoot with Layla, and we're just she's picked out some photos that she liked the feel of, and we're more sitting into the sort of this little area of shots, this sort of field of shots. Now Layla's picked out what she wanted to wear, like I do with all models. They pick out what they want to wear, not me. And we're just going to build a shot. I've already set up my lighting, simple octabox. I've set it a fair way in front of her, so it's nearly a metre in front of her, but that's because I wanted to bounce a little bit of light off the floor into her, and just to get a nice even soft light, because I've put a little bit of contrast in this shot. So I'm just on my green channel in the black and white. I've got a small down curve and about half the Hasselblad V1 clarity, which is non-aggressive or sharpening. It's just more like a localized contrast. I'll just bring that back a little bit, yeah, about there. So from here, it's just a matter of taking off where we finished on the last shoot. So I'm just going to try and work with Layla to get the best out of her, because it's just as hard the second time around, isn't it? Yeah. So it's been, what, about a month and a bit since we've shot. She's had her holidays. That's quite nice. That's cool. I'm just going to not do too much in the way of directions and anything to start with. I'm just going to let her freestyle around a little bit and get her to relax. It doesn't matter who the model is. It's really hard for a model just to walk in and go bang first shot, because it takes a little bit for you to feel the emotion or the look that you're trying to put into it. And just a very slight change to one thing could add emotion or take emotion out of that picture. Cool, cool, that's really pretty. All right, so it's really coming back to those first things. If you're feeling the camera, you know your face isn't going to look right. It's not going to be your real face, it's going to be your uptight face. If your brain's questioning what I should do next, it means you haven't got into a zone. You're just going, oh, what should I do next? Which means that there's no feeling in the picture. If you're struggling with a story, then the best thing is just to move. Movement makes you feel a certain way. These are still cool. These are a really nice starting point. So you actually haven't started at the bottom. You've actually started not far off from where you left off last time. So just slow move and try and pick up if you do a lean in, try and pick up, oh, that feels good. So once something feels good, that's already giving you a trigger into your face, right? Bit of a play with the hair can feel good, but you don't want every shot with your hands in your hair. So I'm going to let you go for a little bit, and then when I feel like I need to start directing you more, but you've got to remember this has got to be more than just you sitting in a studio moving a little bit. You've got to try and get a story behind why you're moving or where you're sitting. It could be sitting on the riverbank of Echuca. You didn't even have a ski boat though, did you? So the little things like this is, because I know a little bit of the story about what she's done over the Christmas break, just by talking it relaxes you down again. It takes it away. So I try and listen fairly careful to models when they talk to me, or if I see their stories on Instagram or something and see they're up water skiing on Echuca or what. You didn't have a boat though, did you? Cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. So you as big a dog person as Abby?
I'm a bigger dog person. That is my dog.
Oh, is that your dog?
That is my dog.
Isn't it your parents' dog?
No, he's mine.
He's mine. Straight away, look, we're talking, look at the attitude. That is my dog. You liking the feel?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, I'm liking it too, but I'm definitely liking towards the end. That is my dog.
Yeah.
See, look how your cheeks have come up now.
Yeah.
Not that I want super cheeky face, but you just, and that's why I love models that own dogs.
Yeah.
They're the easiest to manipulate to soften faces down.
Yeah, yeah, I like those.
You like those?
Yeah,
All right, you're gonna nail it now?
yes.
So one thing is if you just see how there's something in each of their faces,
Yeah,
right? They're all fairly boggly eye, but you can still see there's a feeling. So they've drifted into a certain feeling that they want to put out. Now the hard thing with this is normally when I'm doing this stuff with models that I haven't worked with a lot or they haven't worked a lot, I normally have music playing, but because of the copyright laws, I can't do that. It's pretty. Different speeds I shoot, cool. It's when the model demands me to shoot. Remember I taught you about, yeah, pretend you're doing a selfie, you know that you're doing something and you're going to click on it. Well, it's up to you to do that with me, is give me something, and if I don't click on it, it means you didn't give me anything. Nice. That's really pretty. Cool. Stunning. Yeah, see, that felt like you had moved because you thought you had to move. Yeah. Right, but that's not like a comfortable position for you, is it? No. So it's going to come up in your face. Okay. So whatever you sit in, it's got to make you feel something. If it makes you feel like this is forced or uncomfortable, it's going to look that. And this is one of the reasons I don't like the whole posing thing, because if I change any part of you, it's not going to be your natural look. Cool, I like that. Cool, that's really pretty. Nice, just work it in. Cool. And what you're going to find is it'll get harder and harder working with me. The first time it's easy because we took you from never been shot to creating shots. Now we already know what we can get out of you. We've got to make it better and better. But all it means is we've got to get you more natural with everything you do. That's really cool. It's not comfortable, was it? It didn't look comfortable at all. In fact, you don't have to change all the time. Just find one pose that you really like comfy and just move around with that. So in the end, we're looking for one killer shot. So every shoot I do, I'm looking at the cover of a magazine. I'm not looking at what shot's going to be inside the magazine. I'm looking for the cover for the magazine. Cool. And it doesn't worry if the model just sits on that pose the whole time, but just drifts slightly. Cool. That's really cool. Nice. That's better.
Is it?
So much better. I can't see you walking around like that all day. That's really pretty. It makes it so much easier for you to get a great shot if you're sitting in a way that your body likes. Cool. That's really cool. Stunning. Let's see what we've got. That's a bit pretty. Do you like that? All right, so I've seen two pictures I could use anyway.
Yeah.
So regardless of what else we've got, I've seen two that I would use. Do you reckon we can do better, or do you reckon you're happy with what we've got?
I reckon maybe
Like,
once more.
we'll do another batch. Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
So I'll 100% be happy to use that picture. Well, you're worried about what your body's going to look in the way you sit. I know it's really, really hard because I'm going to photograph you, but if you're just sitting out in the banks of the Murray River, you're not caring how you sit, are you? And that's where you've got to be more, because it's, well, I can do a simple little thing. So Big Spec can have the camera on you. So if I get you, can you just change your, come a bit wider with your feet, just a little bit wider again, right? Just turn your toes slightly out. See how it feels uncomfortable, doesn't it? Yeah. Your face looks so uncomfortable. Now just reset to how you stand. So does this make sense? Yeah. So it's very much, if it doesn't feel like you won't get it's not going to, your face, which is the most important thing, is not going to work. And I have heaps of people criticizing me about my bad posing, but it's not, it's just, that's how that person sits. And in the fashion world doesn't care about that. When we talk about the portraiture world with all these rules on it, that's not what we're trying to create. We're trying to capture you. We're not trying to make you sit in a chair like Queen Elizabeth and have this and this and this, which is not going to be a photo of you. It's going to be a photo of you trying to be Queen Elizabeth. Cool. All right, so we'll do a few more like this. And I was just going to do a test with what the natural light's going to look like. So I might just slap off a couple with natural light. Cool?
Cool.
So I've just put the modelling light on just because it's very flat, overcast day here. And I wanted a little bit more glow if I was going to use natural light with this. Cool. That's really pretty. And it's just flattening out her face a little bit better. It's actually quite cool. Right, I'm just going to snap a few with this. Nice, nice. That's really pretty. It's really cool. That's really pretty. That's really nice. Just need one killer. That's really pretty. So as you leant down then, see how you felt something? That comes straight into your face. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, now I'll just snap a few more of the flashlight ones off. That's cool. There, cool. Cool. That's really pretty. Cool. That's nice. That's really nice. Awesome, awesome, awesome. A lot of models use that same trick that you just did then. I normally get a great shot just after you touch your hair. Beck, I always get a good shot after she's played with her hair a bit. It's just something, I think it's a reset. Cool. That's really just worked. That's really pretty. Nice, nice. So I'm just slowing down just a touch to let her demand me the picture. Cool. Cool. So the cheat that I get now is when she demands the picture, she stops. So it's a bit obvious when she's demanding. It's when she moves a little bit and there's, oh, that wasn't good enough, I'll do it again. So if I don't take a picture straight away, it just means you didn't do it well enough. So you need to make it better. So you get your shot, and if I don't click, make it better. That's better, cool. That's cool, 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 cool. Go back to where you were, it was perfect, I just too slow. Cool, there, beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. All right, we've got to have something in that lot. If you didn't see the first shoot I did with Layla, here is a link to take you to it.